This time of the season, even though we are all celebrating and enjoying the holidays, it is also the time of the flu, so you need to try and prevent its symptoms, such as coughing, sore throat, and sniffling. Numerous people immediately reach towards lozenges, but even though they fight a cough successfully, they are high in dangerous chemicals that lead to other side effects and do not address the root of the problem. Even though a cough can be quite irritating, but it is a natural reflex, whose purpose is beneficial, as it clears the large passages from microbes, secretions, microbes and foreign particles. Since we are living in an increasingly toxic environment, coughing protects us against deadly particles and we manage to prevent numerous airborne diseases. Yet, if a cough is temporary and painless, it can be of help, but if it is chronic, it must be treated immediately. A cough treatment should treat the real cause as it sometimes needs to cure the body. Some cough lozenges have ingredients which alleviate the congestion and directly affect the heart rate. Although pseudoephedrine hydrochloride, dextromethorphan, ephedrine suppress cough symptoms, they might cause adverse effects and interact with other medications. The following natural cough drops are delicious and involve ingredients which strengthen the immune system and accelerate the recovery time. This is how to prepare it. Ingredients: 100 grams raw organic honey, 100 milliliters of coconut oil, a pinch of Ceylon cinnamon. Health benefits of the ingredients: raw organic honey has potent antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal properties which soothe a sore throat and alleviate a cough. A recent study has shown that honey is even more effective in relieving nighttime cough in children than the main ingredient in children's cough syrup. Raw honey also treats inflammation in the respiratory system, treats breathing difficulties, cleanses the liver, and supports the intestinal health. On another hand, the coconut oil is high in lauric acid which destroys bad bacteria, fungi, and viruses and helps you prevent ill infections. It also supports the absorption of minerals in the bones and reduces blood pressure and high cholesterol levels. Directions: pour the coconut oil into a bowl and whip it until it becomes nice and frothy. Then, gradually add the honey and go on whipping in order to get a full and thick paste. In the end, add the cinnamon. Next, pour the mixture into empty ice cube trays and freeze them for half an hour. You can keep the cough drops in a glass mason jar in the fridge for up to 2 months. These cough drops can also be used as a preventative measure on a daily basis.